Okay, so this is the lemon custard. Okay, this is big. Okay, so we will just spread it on the top. Just spread it like that. Parang hindi siya too much yellow. Diba?
Pa siyang peanut butter.
Yeah, I know. It should be yellow, you know, like clear yellow. But I think because my sugar is red. I mean my sugar is brown. Baka maybe I should use white, di ba? Pero okay lang yan. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be white sugar. Okay.
Yan na yan.
Mm.
May lagay mo pa.
Ha?
Sayang, yung iba.
Wala nang sasayin. Hindi mo talaga mailagay lahat. Oh, di ba? Tikman ko nga. Achim. Very sour. And this is our raspberry. So we will just put it on the top. I think we don't have to really, put it one by one. We just have to sprinkle it. Like that. Okay, ang gundo.
Ang ganda din dito.
Oh my God. Oh, ayan.
Yung huli lang. Yung umpisa pangit.
Mm.
Pero na maganda.
Kumbaga sa middle lang siya, ganun. Yan, sa middle. I should just put all in the middle. But it's okay, Alright, let's get the sugar. Puso muna. That's it. Parang pangit.
Doon pa.
Dalagan pati ito?
Ah, hindi ba yun?
Okay.
Sige, lagay mo pa ma.
Para yan, ganyan na rin. Para naman boring. Oh my God. That's
Ang
it.
kalat!
It's okay. Ayan, okay na yan.
Ang pangit na.
Okay na? That's it.
Yung natabuan na siya ng camera. Wow!